Well, it's January the 2nd, 2021. I'm going to go check on my bees. We've had a lot of rain the last few days, and they're not able to get out and eat like they should. But it is the dead of winter. It is warm today, 64 degrees. That's warm for January the 2nd. I see a few girls out. The grass is a little tall. I need to come and mow that on one of these cold days when I won't disturb them. They're actually bringing in a little pollen. We've had 3 straight days of rain, nearly 5 inches of rain. So they're hungry. I enjoyed some of their honey this morning on some sausage patties. Okay. No activity there.